Imagine yawning over 200 times a day. This was the reality for a man who found himself in a perpetual state of exhaustion. What seemed like a trivial quirk turned into a baffling medical mystery. Excessive yawning, it turns out, can be a sign of serious neurological disorders, including multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease. Neurologists dove deep into this case, exploring its roots. Yawning is linked to the vagus nerve, which can be disrupted in these disorders. Treatments ranged from medications to manage symptoms to deep brain stimulation, dramatically improving his quality of life. A simple yawn revealed a hidden neurological battle.